Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you on this Monday midday time frame. You know, it's been a cold, gusty day across our area, and despite the sunshine at times, it's not really helping us to, warm things up. The flags are blowing in the wind in Newport. Similar story out here in Narragansett. Visibility is not bad. If you look closely there on your screen, you can kind of see some of those wind turbines out in the ocean there. So, again, visibility is pretty good out there today. Temperatures in the 30s, and I think we'll tack on a few more degrees as we head into the early afternoon hours. I think many of us top out between about 37, say 39 degrees or so. But, with the wind, it still feels colder, so that won't really, mean too much when you have wind chills in the 20s, right? So it'll be feeling cold all day long, right into the afternoon and evening hours. Those wind gusts still, 20 to 30 miles per hour for many locations. We've had gusts as high as 40 miles per hour in some cases, even up to 45. It's a lot of cases on the islands and some of those locations on the water. But for the most part, again, those winds are between about 20 and 30 miles per hour. Satellite radar, we had some, a batch of clouds moving through this morning. That did limit sunshine a little bit, but I do expect to see some sunshine peeking on through, especially for the second half of our day. So for the next few hours here, wide view shows a little bit of a disturbance to our west, mainly across the Great Lakes, bringing some snow showers to parts of the Great Lakes region and upstate New York. Not going to bother us. We're going to be staying dry for our Monday afternoon. So again, chilly and windy. Temperatures in the upper 30s. As we go into tonight, those skies will be clear, staying cold overnight into Tuesday morning. But the good news about Tuesday is the wind will not be nearly as much of a factor. So I do think, we'll be seeing temperatures get into the low 40s, and it'll feel quite nice, actually, during the afternoon hours because of that lack of wind. For Tuesday night, clouds will be increasing late. And then as we go into Wednesday, looking at perhaps a couple showers possible tracking through the area, at least getting pretty close to our area as we go into Wednesday morning. May just kind of stay up to the north and west for a little bit longer, but I do think there's going to be a chance of a few showers as we go into the day on Wednesday. For today, though, the rest of today, temperatures upper 30s, mainly sunny and dry. Those gusty winds up to about 25 to even 30 miles per hour. For tonight, as I mentioned, cold and dry. That's the theme of the past day or so. Temperatures in the 20s. The wind will diminish a bit as well, which of course is good news, and especially for the day tomorrow. We'll be looking at temperatures in the low 40s, not bad. Wednesday, a little bit milder, looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. And again, extra clouds around, maybe a couple passing showers. But other than that, though, does not look like a big deal for Wednesday. And even that late week system that we were watching, the one that we were talking about over the weekend that maybe looked like it could be a more impactful system, does not look to be the case. Just that the pieces are not coming together for a big storm along the East Coast, which of course is good news if you don't want snow. But yeah, that's how things look as of midday Monday. So we'll just, again, see how this week progresses with the weather, but otherwise things looking pretty quiet over the next few days.